Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I wanted to share another nail polish of the week video. In this video series I always swatch and talk about one specific nail polish color that is in my own collection. And yeah, first of all, if you are going to paint your nails together with me, always start off with clean nails. Make sure that all of the previous polish from your previous manicure is completely gone and start off with your base coat. And if you are new to my channel, hi, welcome. I would really appreciate it if you would like to subscribe to my channel, of course, if you like my content, and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video. But back to this nail polish of the week video, I'm using the anti-split base coat by Essence. It actually has a brand new packaging, or not really like super brand new anymore, but it's been like a couple of months that I bought this myself. I don't really know if it really helps against like nail splitting or anything like that. I do feel like there is a little bit of like a strengthening something in there, which makes the nails a little bit harder and a little bit less flexible. I don't know if I personally like that a lot, because I feel like if you have like strong long nails like I had in this video, they have to be a little bit of flexible to actually prevent any breaking if you accidentally bump your hand into a desk or a table or anything like that. So yeah, I'm not really sure if this is like something that I would personally benefit from, because usually if I have my nails the length as they are in this video, they don't break that easily. I really have to bunk it really hard into something to actually get a tear in my nails. But yeah, I have to mention that I did pre-record this video a couple of weeks ago, so I still had my really long nails on my left hand and my really short nails on my right hand, and both are quite short at the moment. But the color that I'm using today is called Let's Be Friends. It is by OPI. I actually bought the entire like OG OPI Hello Kitty collection. I think it was like 5 years ago maybe already. I can't even remember. It's been a long time. But all of the polishes are actually in great condition, and that is just because I store my polishes in dark cabinets and in a cool environment as well. So the temperature is never above 21 degrees Celsius. A little bit colder would be better, even like not too cold either. You know, you don't want to freeze your polishes or anything like that. But yeah, just keep them in a dark and cool place. Just store them really well and your polishes will last ages, like even decades. I have a couple of polishes that I've had, I don't even know how long, like maybe even 11 years, and they're still in perfect condition. Of course, you have to shake them up a little bit every now and then to make sure that all of the different ingredients won't shift apart or anything like that. But other than that, my polishes stay good really long, and I don't even own any nail polish thinner. Like, it's crazy. I know I have so many polishes, but I don't even own any thinner. But I actually never need it either. So yeah, that's why. But I'm just going to apply this first layer, and this polish is just really lovely. Now looking back at the footage, I feel like I missed a little bit of the sparseness of the polish, because I am going to apply only 2 coats, and in real life it actually looked like 2 coats was like perfectly fine, perfectly opaque. But you will see in a little minute, if when I have applied the second layer, that it was still like a little bit like sparse, a little bit streaky, but in real life I didn't see that. So yeah, that like the joys of filming with a really expensive camera and lens, that you actually don't see everything in real life, but when you look back at your footage you're like, oh no, you know. But yeah, the first coat is still a little bit sheer, but it is a really lovely, like super soft light pink color. The polish is a little bit more thin, like substancy wise, but it's not too bad to work with. I would recommend that if you have this collection yourself, or you're thinking about getting this collection or this polish at least, to not overwork this polish, because as you can see, sometimes if I run the brush over my nail a little bit too often, it actually picks up more pigment than it applies, and that's the way you actually get some like sparse or bare patchy like places, especially around the cuticle. because that's usually where you place your brush first before you run it down the surface of the nail, if you know what I mean. So yeah, don't overwork this polish, but other than that, it's really cute. And I do have to mention that I feel like the opacity on the pointer finger and the middle fingernail is way better than what it actually looks like here on camera on my other nails. I don't know why that was. Maybe it had something to do with the lighting or something like that, because as I mentioned, I didn't see that in real life. But yeah, like recording with a new setup, I've had it for a couple of months now. I'm still learning, you know, you don't get the hang of everything like after a week, if you know what I mean. So yeah, sometimes it looks perfectly fine in real life, but then your camera is like, oh no girl, you done goofed. You know. So yeah, I was keeping it at 2 coats for now because I just felt like it was good enough for a little in-between manicure. I think I wore this for like a week or something, maybe a little less. I can't remember because I tend to switch up my manicures quite a lot. But just make sure that every single coat is completely dry before you go in with your top coat. And I'm going to use the Ultra Gloss Top Coat by Essence as well. You guys know me, I really love Essence as well as Catrice when it comes to base and top coats, and I got this bottle quite new as well, just a couple of months ago. I'm not quite sure if the formula is completely new because I have seen similar top coats by Essence, so I think that they just vamped it up a little bit and just put it in a new like remodeled bottle or something like that. But it is quite a nice top coat. I've used it in a couple of previous nail polish of the week videos as well. And I think I also used it in a couple of my like design tutorial videos, but I really can't remember when the last one was because it's been a while that I actually made like a nail design. For some reason there's like a lot of new stuff coming out that I have to like review, unbox, all that jazz, that I sometimes forget to actually make designs with them. So that is something that I really want to get back into working on, just to share cute designs. And especially now my nails are shorter. As I mentioned, this video is pre-recorded a couple of weeks ago. Now my nails are shorter. I think it's a really good like time to do some short nail designs as well. So if you want to see something like that, just let me know in the comment section down below. But yeah, just make sure that every single layer of polish is completely dry before continuing with your day. Let me know what you think about this color. Personally, I'm a big fan. I love my soft, like very cool toned, almost like super nude and wearable tones. As I mentioned, personally, the next time I will go for a third layer because this polish is quite thin, so you can work quite fast as well because it dries pretty quickly. But once again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos.